Ona thengia wa thirikari kuhitukira kanja ya magavana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kuria arigitani macoke wira, arwaru no mathiete na mbere kugieka thibitari-ini ni kwaga motungata thiko ya keri kirumaniririo, arigitani makihanda na kuga matire na ciraniro maretikia o marenda cieko.
And starting this afternoon, we are going to call on the Council of Clinical Officers to report to the Ministry of Headquarters through their chief officer so that we can start engaging with the DHA. I think there has been a miscommunication between us and them. The resolutions that were reached on the 14th reached the ministry today morning. We had already started implementing those resolutions, but we were notified that the clinical officers are on strike, and that's why we had to come back here so that we agree, and we were affirming that this will be implemented.
And we have agreed in principle, both Council of Governors, who represents over 95% of facilities in Kenya, that we will enable these clinical officers to be able to access the services directly. For that reason, therefore, there is no reason why clinical officers cannot go back to work.
What is the use of going back if I still cannot see a patient through SHA? And what we are saying is that by tomorrow, we want to see in the system that we can be able to pre-authorize. We want to see our facilities empaneled. This is something they can do overnight. It's a click of a button because it is the digital system.
Muikarĩri wa kiama kia arigitani Peterson Wachira iguru ria uguo arauga ona gutwika thirikari ni hitukitie mekero thiini wa mubango wa SHA uyu twaguo undu utumite magomere wira kuona no kuri na uhoro wa kuhingio kwa wiguano uria wakinyirirwo gatagati kao na thirikari makenina mugomo wao mwaka muthiru.
That return to work had a deadline of 1st of September last year. But then, since then up to now, the county governments had not implemented the CBA, which was to be done by then, promotions and redesignation, using a new career guidelines that we have, the issue of medical insurance cover for the workers, and especially the what we call the UHC, CHAP, Global Fund, exploitative contracts, where they are paid half of what the others are paid. We had agreed that they were going to consult with the ministry, set aside budget, so that in the next year they'll be able to confirm these people.
Giikaro kia mĩario gatagati ga kiama kia arigitani na kanja ya magavana ni gethaganitio muthenya wa keri. Wachira akiuga angikorwo ni megukorwo mekiritwo mubango-ini wa SHA no mecirie kana ni megwitikira kuhe kanja ya magavana thikũ 21 iria mahoete mone uria mekuhingia uiguano uyu wa gucoka wira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritũ rĩakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.